날 엮고 닫을 줄 서 있는데 근데 네가 나타나서 멘붕 상태야 내 자존심 갖다 버리고 I don't care 널 갖고 싶어 baby 우리 부모님이 반대하셔도 친구들이 바보라고 해도.
Today is my second to last day of school, and I thought I'd vlog my last 2 days of school since I have an AB schedule. I won't see people I see today, tomorrow, so we're gonna do 2 days. And I'm here with my younger sister. Oh, she just woke up. It's 6:52. I gotta go. Bye bye. And I'll just, you know, next clip you'll probably see me at school. So let's go. Hi. We're on our way to AP World. Hi, Justin. Hi.
You're vlogging?
Yes.
Can I say hi?
Yes.
Hi.
Hi, Landon.
It's right here. I got the cookie. Just close the door on me. It's
All right, kids.
Oh, it's the last day. The fridge, so I don't know.
Oh.
Oh my god, I feel like LISAPHAN. Alex
I'm so popular.
Face on Darius. Hi, Lisa.
Hello, everyone.
Wait, get in here, dude. Okay, what should we talk? What's up, Lisa? It's been a great year. We just want to say we love you, Lisa.
We love you, Lisa.
So when you see this, keep this in, put it in the video. We love you, Lisa.
The amazing food.
Oh, there's actual places.
Look at this. It's got amazing international food. Natalie, what's in your hands right there?
Crepes right here, homemade.
Homemade crepes.
Pastry, yes.
All right, well, more for me.
Wow. Hello.
Oh my god, so I
love
guess I
you.
should not talk crap on the camera.
Welcome, remember me. No, welcome to the vlog.
Oh my god, I look so bad.
No, what the freak? Yes.
Yeah.
Hi
Jack is-
guys, love you. Where are you going? Okay, I like your backpack. Super cute outfit. Love you too.
You want to keep it?
Hi, Julia.
Hey. We got Farmer Joe. Got it.
Can you give me your outfit of the day? I think it's super cute. OOTD. You're scaring me. Well, I'm a vlogger. Why are you so close like that? Where's Kiara? Where's Cedar?
No, she's not going.
What are you wearing today, lady? Okay, so this is just because our school's cold, but I'm wearing this really cute. Oh god, here she goes. Top. Let me yeah, you want to get that angle? Forever 21, right? Okay, let me stand up. Yeah, yep. Okay. And then my shorts, I think are from Aces. I know. Yes. Yeah. Working it. And then my shoes. Oh, these ones. They're from Steve Madden, and that's my outfit of the day.
About your necklace, lady.
Oh, necklace is Forever 21, of course.
Let's zoom in on that.
Like this one.
Wow.
Yep. All over my neck. And yeah, stuff. Give me your outfit of the day.
This is Target. Alright, this is from...
Alright, far out. I'm getting embarrassed. I don't want to do it.
Okay.
Julia, give me your outfit of the day.
No, girl.
Girl. Out there. Really living out here. I'm looking at you. No one else looks like that. Looks like someone's mom.
Please make me some too.
Okay. She doesn't love you.
Got it.
Your head's cut off.
Picture, buddy.
I caught it with the interruption.
I don't want to film myself. This makes me uncomfortable.
Why this way?
Why is she running? Why are you running? Lisa, I'm not the vlogger. You're the vlogger.
So, hi everyone. Can you even see me?
Yeah, you can see you. And what's over here?
Hey. Hey.
Oh no, hey. And blue raspberry. But
Okay. Thank you. Do you want this?
What is up, Lisa?
World traveler.
Yes. Oh my god.
World Cup season, go soccer.
Micah. Can you give me an outfit of the day? Amazon. Old Navy.
I just want to say that I love Lisa. Lisa is my best friend. And hi, Alex Nickel. So yeah, this is
My dad was there at the cat celebration.
Go Cavs!
Holding her box.
Yeah, let me be in the vlog. There we go.
Kind of.
Hello.
What day is it?
It's the last day of school.
What's the last day of school?
Friday.
Oh, you're making me look like a potato lady.
It's right.
It's dying. I gotta charge it first period.
Why didn't you charge it last? I was like, well,
I forgot. Let me show your outfit.
I decided to wear a denim skirt.
Where's it from?
Forever 21.
Look at her.
If I leave my lotion here,
So the next scene?
I'm an egg.
people buy them.
Did you say an egg or an egg?
Oh.
Still sound like egg.
Oh, my purse. Lisa, where are we?
We're in the media center.
Why?
Because we don't like lunch.
Hey guys,
Lisa
what's
fans.
up? Welcome to Lisa's channel, and you're watching Disney Channel. Ba-ba-ba-da.
Good job.
We love you, Lisa. It was great having class with you. I hope you and all of your fans remember me when I'm famous. Follow me at CAYLA.NOBLEMAN.
Wow.
And thanks for joining in on our school year vlog, guys.
She was so much more enthusiastic. That's so good. So I just took a nap, but we're in photo class and no one's in here. But I'm here with Ashton, and she brought in The Incredibles, and we just watched it, but I fell asleep. And it was like what, 30 minutes or 20 minutes left in the movie, but I fell asleep. So yeah, whatever.
We can't finish it, which is kind of sad.
Yeah.
But I only have like
Bye guys, have a
Hey Boo, I walked out here pretty fast.